Hey, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to Kiamichi Railroad Shorelines, guys. Alrighty, guys, this was a different Valliant cop. Well, guys, the railroad knows me, but guys, I talked to my friends. They told me I can be over there, but the cop thinks that I wasn't wearing much reflective and I wasn't wearing everything shiny and stuff on. I beg to differ on that. I am actually following railroad standard code. I'm actually wearing a reflective vest, and I also have a flashlight and stuff like that. And he told me that I couldn't go anywhere near the diamond because he couldn't see me because I'm not wearing much reflectant. I am wearing reflectant. He did see me. It's just he just wanted to be an ass. And so, guys, he said next time if I do it again, he would give me a citations fine. And so, guys, comment what you think about that. Because if the railroad don't mind you being on railroad property, then the cops shouldn't really say that at all. Because I really should have had this in recording. So I mean, I done it again. I should have had that on recording. Because I done asked all my friends. They told me they didn't do that, and I done asked them, and they had nothing to do with it, and they're telling the truth. I kind of think it might be somebody that lives right beside the tracks, and so the railroad told me don't worry about that. It's just some people being stupid and stuff like that. Don't worry about that stuff. What they do, just don't worry about it. But guys, all right, guys, my other friends, they are coming in. They're going to take a break. They just came in from the Queen. Now they're here in Valliant. They're here at 1 o'clock. They'll be leaving back out at least at 2. I'll be taking a break after I catch my friends here on the Kiamichi Railroad. They're about to head back to Hugo. I got my other friends. They're in. They should be coming. They should be following right behind my other friends on the same line I'm currently talking to right now on the Kiamichi Railroad. They're carrying 90 freight cars, and they were having trouble getting the train going on the line. So I watched them reverse the train and then pick up speed going down in a hill incline. So they should be coming this way soon. But at least my friends picking up a load now, it won't be a bad train. So. Okay, my friends are right there. You can see that flashing right there. That's my friend. He's about to get up into the cab of the locomotive, and they're about to head on back to Hugo. But guys, I'm at that cop don't know what he's talking about, and I know he's doing his job. He's just looking out for me, but really, I was wearing stuff reflectant, and so I don't know why. I don't know what's up with that. But I mostly won't be talking to my friends over there for now on that side. I'll talk to them on the other end, but not on not on the other side where I see them before. Which to me, that cop is a liar, and because I done talked to my friends on the railroad, and they told me they never did, and so they never did, and I believe them. And I know all of them, and I was seeing what they were up to, and they weren't there. So I'm just, cause I don't know, guys. It's not the road. It's the cop, cause the cop's lying through his teeth. I know he was lying because I done talked to all my friends, and So guys, I'm not worried about that. He's just doing his job, stuff like that, you know. He's wanting to make sure I'm not gonna, you know. But who cares? But guys, they're about to be taking off any minute. They should be leaving any minute. My friends just got up inside the cab. They're going in the reverse, going back to Hugo. And then my favorite engine will be falling right behind them soon. Caitlin will be. So they should be coming soon. But they should be rolling pretty soon. So I'm about to about to get this thing a pause. Alright guys, there they go guys. I want to go see my other friends on the DQ side. Hopefully they haven't got to the crossing yet. Alright guys, be careful out there and please don't get arrested on the railroad. Yeah, you know guys, just be careful on the road properly and please don't get arrested or get a fine or a ticket and stuff like that. You know, just you know what to do guys. Just don't get in trouble. Mostly, even though you're not going to cause no mischief or nothing. Even though you have the right of the amendment to film a train on private property, the railroad don't mind. But just be mindful. Just be out there. You know, just be careful out there on the hot rails of any railroad where you're at. But guys, see you guys later, guys. I'll see you guys next time on Next Adventures on the Kiamichi Railroad on the hot rails, guys. All right, guys. There's the boxcar train. That's my friends. It's still a freight train. It's just they're hauling boxcars. So they're carrying boxcars tonight all the way to Hugo, so that way they're not having a very long, heavy train. So that's the reason why they're doing two trains at the exact same time. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad owned by the Genesee and Wyoming, guys. You know, guys. All right, guys, be safe out there, and please don't get arrested and or get a ticket or a fine from a cop or whatever, guys. Just be safe out there on the hot rails, wherever you're at on the railroad. All right, guys, Martian out. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I'm wearing the Queen Railroad logo tonight. So guys, all right, guys, Martian out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.